Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I am picking the camera up after so long. IPL चालू हो गया है, so that is what I am watching. But I thought I will vlog. Actually weekend vlog नहीं कर रही हूँ, Sunday and Monday vlog कर रही हूँ क्योंकि Monday is holy, तो I have holiday for that and I have plans to go. So yeah, that is what I thought I will share with you guys. अभी आज Saturday है, मैंने hair wash किया हुआ है and I'm wearing this very beautiful night suit. You guys can see मैंने ये गोमा पहना था, shorts and t-shirt का है, which I got from Zudio and it's really good. It's a very beautiful vibrant red color but so comfortable. You can actually wear it as a cord set, as a night suit. You can mix and match, you can do everything you want with this. But अभी मैंने hair wash किया, really wanted to straighten my hair and my plan of action is I need to pack my bag क्योंकि मैं जा रही हूँ कल. I have Sunday duty in college and then I have to go to Khushi's house and after going to, sorry, she's calling me right now, after going to her house, no, actually after Sunday duty we are going to Infinity because I want to go to Sephora to check out a few things. So once we are done with Sephora, I think I want to go to Zara as well. Let's see how it happens, and then I'm gonna go to her place. We're gonna chill out as usual and catch up because I haven't met her since the birthday. I'm gonna put up her birthday celebration vlog, or it's already up, so I will link it up. And yeah, after, so I'm gonna meet her. I have two more surprises for her. That's what I'm gonna get her. And then Holi ke morning we are gonna go out for lunch. So most probably it's gonna be her parents and me and Khushi. Let's see what the plan is about and how like the whole thing goes. But मैं backpack बताऊंगी नहीं, मैंने पहले वाले vlogs में बताया हुआ है. In case you guys want to know what all I take for my travel. In the sense one nighter अगर मैं किसके घर रहने जा रही हूँ, then I will link that video also up here. बट आई थिंक मैं बैकपैक करूँगी सोने से पहले एंड थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई भी करूँगी. ऑल्सो एन अपडेट, लेट मी जस्ट म्यूट दिस, ओके. I want to give you guys an update on my skin. So I was taking treatment by a dermatologist. Her name is Dr. Jalpa Kapadia. I'm going to leave her details down in the description in case you guys want to go check it out. But I was having like insane amount of acne. I will put before and after pictures so you guys can actually see how many breakouts I was having, and I knew those were hormonal. And I was at that point that skincare was not working because it was constantly coming up. I know it was hormonal, and also because of my diet. I have been eating a lot of processed food, a lot of like sugar, like lot of desserts. I was in that phase where I used to eat one dessert every single day, like रोज मैं desserts खाती थी. It's not like कुछ मीठा या chocolate, but I used to eat proper desserts like ice cream खा लिया, cake खा लिया, donuts. So I was in that very bad sugar addict habit. So I went to her and I was like, look, I have been to multiple dermats, I have done a lot of things. I really need a good solution, you know, where it's not just temporary, that the time I'm applying creams and all, it's there, and then once it goes off, it goes off. So I think I took treatment for, I would say, almost 6 to 8 weeks, and this is what my skin looks like right now. I absolutely love it. I have marks to deal with but no active acne, and I love how my skin is growing. I love how my skin looks. Like, people have literally complimented me like, your skin is looking so good. This is how my skin actually used to look before also. Like, I had marks, I had pimples, and I know pimples is something which is going to be a permanent part of my life. It's not like this is the permanent solution, it's never gonna come back. But the way it was before, where my entire face was filled with it, that's something that I do not want. So I'm really happy with the results. I don't want to say what she put me on or do, because I know a lot of people just gonna look at that, buy that, try that for themselves, which is not safe. She put me on certain medications which are better if you use under guidelines. So that was the thing, and now she's just put me on maintenance. So she's given me like 2 creams to deal with my scars at night, and then I told her I prefer niacinamide in the morning. She's like, you don't really need it, but since you have it and you want it, you can do it. So she's giving me vitamin C tablets, and then niacinamide I'm applying the Dr. Sheth's niacinamide serum, which is my absolute favorite, and I know that is something that really works for me. So that is something which I'm using. But yeah, I am loving how my skin is looking. Like, even right now I don't have anything, it's not even oily. Like, अगर मैं ऐसे करूँगी देखो द ग्लो इज स्टिल देयर. लाइक लुक एट दैट. लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक मैंने कुछ अप्लाई किया है या कुछ भी है. इट इज़ ग्लोइंग फ्रॉम विद इन एंड आई रियली रियली लव इट. So yeah, that's the update, and then I'll just see you guys tomorrow morning once I'm ready to go to work. I need to give you guys a few updates before we move on to tomorrow. Look at my table. It's almost like hanging on the edge. My mom did this. She tries to pull it from here, and I had really heavy books kept on, and it's broken. It's broken from both the sides, so I really need to order it again. This one is from IKEA. It's lasted me 4 years and it could have lasted me very very well. It's a very sturdy table. मैं पढ़ाई के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ, लैपटॉप वगैरह सब चीज़ों के लिए करती हूँ. सो इट्स 1000 रुपीज़ के अंडर है, तो काफ़ी अफोर्डेबल है. इफ़ यू गो टू IKEA you might even get it for cheaper. But yeah, this is what has happened. And let me show you guys this. Oh my god, who remembers these cream rolls that we used to have in childhood? They were so yummy. Like ये ऐसा है and अंदर cream भरा हुआ है. Let me just open it for you guys. This is what it used to look like, and then you take a bite and बीच में पूरा क्रीम होता है. बचपन में I used to love it. So good. Good morning guys. I just got out of the shower. For some reason I really have the mood to do my makeup. Like makeup in the sense I really want to put like foundation, but I never do my makeup when I'm at work. One reason is because it's just too much. And second reason is that my skin has recently recovered, so I don't want to be in makeup for really long hours. I really want to give time for my skin to breathe and to recover. The thing is I wear a mask, so it's really suffocating, and that's just gonna cause more acne. So I think it's a bad idea, regardless of what I feel about doing my makeup or not. But yeah, let's try to do some bare minimum. I might not put any base, but I will definitely put on some blush. I want to put on a bold like berry pink lipstick, and yeah, that's the plan. I'll just tie my hair in a ponytail. I think that's the look I'm recently going for. I'm all ready and I really love how my face looks. And yeah, let's get going to work. देखो इसको नवरे मानस संडे ड्यूटी वाले McDonald's. Today was like so hectic. We got done, but like I hate chaos, and that is what I did. Anyways, it's right now almost 3:40. So I'm gonna go to Infinity. I'm gonna meet Kushi directly over there, and I really need coffee. Like I know I need my coffee. So I think that's what we're gonna do first. First we're gonna get coffee and then everything else. Needed this. What is this gonna cover? I think Max in Pune is much better. Everything that I've shopped. See, these are the leggings that I got. I think something out of these. This one I got. It's really good quality. Do you want to try?
I don't like this one. I want a little more soft and dry.
I tried out this shade from Westside, which looks very beautiful. It's like a mauve, dark mauve shade. I think this will go on all skin tones. I love what Westside is doing with makeup. Very pretty. Look at this shadow. Dude, look at this shadow. This is a new Reliance store that I wanted to check out. Let's go from here only. हाँ तो ठीक है ना, उधर से बैग लेके जाते हैं. Oh, this is like the West Side ka copy. Pretty pretty. This? Okay, I completely forgot to show you guys, but I think last night I straightened my hair. I don't know मैंने ये बताया कि नहीं. Apart from that, my feet were hurting so bad while coming from Infinity, and मैं कहीं पे भी film नहीं कर पाई. We tried so many perfumes. Right now my entire like hands and entire nose is numb because of the amount of perfumes that I have smelled. But कोई भी allow नहीं कर रहा था film करने के लिए. So I tried a few lipsticks from Sephora and a few perfumes, and I really liked one perfume, which is the YSL Libre Intense, which smells like Bath and Body Works ka Fairy Tale, but it's really really good, so I might get that. And I just came home, and then Khushi's parlor lady was coming, so I was like, I really want to get a foot massage, can you please ask her if she's gonna do it? And she did it, and oh my god, I feel so good. Like my feet were hurting like crazy because of everything that happened today, and it just feels so good right now. And I'm gonna watch IPL, and we are deciding on which restaurant to go tomorrow, so we're gonna have dinner as well. So देखते हैं क्या सीन है, and let's see what we do by the time she comes, and then I'll see you guys at dinner. By the way, I bought a few things, so I will show you guys that like post dinner. I will like unwind and get ready like for bed. So तभी मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि मैंने क्या क्या ख़रीदा है. I think 2 ही चीज़ें ली है. लेने का कुछ इतना था नहीं, but एक चीज़ I was like I really needed, and then other thing I liked it, so I got it. But yeah, so I'm gonna give Khushi her gifts. If you guys have not already seen her birthday vlog, actually this was supposed to be a continuation, but इतना late हो गया, and मेरे पास काफ़ी content है यहाँ पे डालने के लिए. So you guys check that out. I will link it up. But I gave her, I think, so 24 gifts for her 24th birthday, and few of her things were remaining. The two things actually one thing was remaining, but then one more thing is there for her. तो मैं अभी इसको दूँगी. So I will show you guys what exactly it is. Let her come. Let the queen come. One gift store. If you guys have seen my Instagram, you already know. Hi guys. Pretty. You look pretty. I like wearing camisoles. It just makes you look very beautiful. Anyway, this is the first thing that was remaining. So this was technically tested it out. Yeah, I actually wanted to try this one out, but it's like a big commitment because I tried the Impulse Coffee's ka hot chocolate and I hated it. It was disgusting. And I had to give it away. So I was like, this needs to be thoda sharing effort. And I was like, I'm buying it for you, but I'm gonna use a few. So I think I've used it 2 times and actually liked a recipe where I'm used this. So this is basically the Tiggle ka dark hot chocolate. If you guys know, it's very viral from Shark Tank. And I've also tried it. So wo shorts bhi main link kar dungi. But I like this mixed with the dark chocolate. Like I put it in the milk. So that also melts. So dark chocolate plus this dark chocolate powder. So this was one of her gifts. I've used it story. I've used it 2 times. So this is one of your gifts.
Thank you.
Okay. And then one gift is technically from my mother's side.
Oh yeah, she told me she was gonna give me.
Yeah, this is for you.
Oh my god. It's a bag, guys. I've gotten like a lot of bags this year.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Pretty. So
yeah. This is what it is. So actually Zook was having buy one get one.
You got one for?
Yeah, so I got one for myself.
Everything she gets.
And I got one for you. So yours I got a western pe bhi tu pehan sakti hai.
And this is both like Indian western.
Yeah, but mine is like a lot of print and it's more like something that you would wear on Indian wear. But I really actually like the quality. Like this is the first time I've gotten anything from Zook, but the quality is really good. Like even this chain will definitely not tarnish, and it looks very pretty. And it's like made of like fabric, like jute ka I think so hai, but it looks very beautiful, very good quality. So you can definitely check it out. So
Thank you, Aunty.
those were all your gifts.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day. It is almost 11 o'clock right now, and we just woke up. But I completely forgot to show you guys what I got yesterday. So I will share that with you guys. First thing is I got some wrapping paper. Now, Mr. DIY is the store. Either I get it from Mr. DIY या तो Market 99 से. I get these wrapping papers. Look at them. They're so beautiful. This one has like a floral print, leaf print, and this one is more of like flowers, but it's a very neutral color and it looks very pretty when you wrap your gifts. This one comes for 39 rupees and काफ़ी बड़ा size होता है, and you get a lot of variety. So खुशी के बर्थडे के टाइम मार्बल प्रिंट वाला that also I got from there. So I really stock up. ऐसे 2-3 रोल्स लेके रखती हूँ because एक्चुअली काफ़ी कम लोग हैं जिनको गिफ्टिंग करना होता है. तो इफ़ आई वांट टू डू समथिंग क्यूट देन दिस कम्स इन हैंडी, एंड दिस अ वेरी प्रिटी पेपर्स. बहुत सारे वैरायटी मिल जाएंगे. So that is something you can definitely check out. And I got myself a t-shirt from Pantaloons. I really want a few like cozy comfy t-shirts. अगर घर पे भी पहनना है तो मेरे पास है नहीं. Yeah, even to work I can wear. So I got this one. It's in this kind of like soft like nude yellowish kind of color, which is very trendy. They had really good like these basic warm toned t-shirt ka whole section, which was really interesting. But I got this one. So I got it in the size small because I think lengthwise काफ़ी बड़ा है. I usually get medium in t-shirts just to keep it comfy. And it was for 299 rupees, and it says do it with all your heart, and it's really cute. Here they have put a sticker of regular fit. I'm really liking actually what Pantaloons is doing like recently. Their collection and all their stuff has been really good. So yeah, that was about it. ज़्यादा कुछ लिया नहीं. I wanted to try out more perfumes and all, जो मैंने आपको पता है कि इतना कुछ हुआ नहीं. But yeah, that is it. Right now I'm gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna go get ready and get out for lunch. Oh my god, we have had such a struggle to find out places that are open today for lunch, which I never knew, because last year same time on Kushi's birthday we had gone to Demi, which is in Lower Parel, and it was Holi, so even the roads were empty, so it was a pretty good time for us. But this time everyone is like, oh, we are open after 6 p.m 4 p.m, and I've never heard someone say like this. So a lot of restaurants, like I think 10-15 restaurants में से हमको ये एक मिला, which is Nadara in Goregaon, and which was open, and I was like, oh my god, let's just go there now, wherever it is. So yeah, that is the plan. So I'll get ready and then I'll see you guys once like I'm getting ready or something like that. But I'll quickly have breakfast right now. Okay guys, I'm all ready and this is what my makeup looks like. I absolutely love it. This is my outfit. I really like this top. Like मैंने सोच पहली बार लिया. I really love the neckline and the print on it, and it looks so pretty. We are ready to go now, so we'll go to the restaurant and then I'll see you guys. Oh, it's really good, but guys, I'm back home and I realized when I paired it with these red shorts that ये top इसके साथ भी काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. I could take these down lower as well, like however I prefer, but red shorts के साथ also not a bad combination. Pretty good. That top is actually, now I feel like it's a really good purchase. I really love it, like the neckline, the print, the color going with my makeup looks absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna change into my clothes and get to bed. It's the next morning and today I've taken a leave, so it's gonna be a chill day at home. I'm having my favorite breakfast, you guys know, चॉकलेट ब्रेड एंड मैंने वो क्रीम कोन भी खाया. And I'm gonna make really yummy lunch. I'm gonna make my spinach corn and cheese dim sum. So yeah, let's see about the day. I have a few like study related things to do, so I think I'm gonna do that. And tomorrow I have a seminar as well, so I think I will prepare a little bit for that as well. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. And I actually really like how my eyebrows are looking. They're looking fine, looking sharp. What do you guys think? But yeah, I'll quickly get ready and then I'll see you guys. आज मेरे डम्पलिंग्स ना थोड़े पिचके हुए हैं, बट लेट्स जस्ट अरेंज देम सो आई कैन कुक एंड क्विकली. थोड़ा डो भी थोड़ा थिन बना हुआ है ना. Well done. Now we're just gonna cook this for around 10 to 12 minutes. ओके, आई हैव टू गो फॉर अ विजिट एंड शाम हो गई है. मेरे इस पे वो ऑयल का चिली ऑयल का थोड़ा स्टेन लग गया था. So try to wash it off with water. Hopefully this dries down. And before that I'm gonna have some nashta. So ये misal wala, you know, this chevda thing. I really like this. And I'm gonna leave अभी 6:15 almost हुआ है. 6:30 तक मैं I'm gonna leave because I need to get some work done. तो वो सब करके then I'll go for the visit and then come back home. So I will see you guys after all of that because ये बहुत ही boring सा काम है, तो I don't think आपको लेके जाने की ज़रूरत है. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.